Hello everybody, welcome to Card Breaks. I got my little daughter here today with me, Sophie. And we're gonna bust some packs open here for 1920 artifacts. She usually brings some good luck, so we'll see what she brings us today.
Yeah, let's hope we get some good ones.
Hope we get some good ones. Alrighty. I'll open them, you hold them, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty, we got Milan Lukic. No, Tom Wilson, 153 of 165. Next pack. Thank you. Patrick Hornquist.
Ooh.
Mr. Blake Wheeler. Red Wings Rookie Redemption. Nice.
Nothing.
Artem Anasov.
Here's your next pack.
Thank you. Okay, we got a good one here.
Really?
Tyson Jost.
Ooh.
26 of 45. Johnny Taos. Aqua.
Nothing. I'm just gonna take this away from her.
Mr. Mitch Marner. Toronto Maple Leafs. Woo! Back in action. Mr. Jake DeBrusk. Next pack. Thank you, my dear.
Oh, there's lots of hockey cards in here.
Only 4 cards per pack. There's only 8 packs.
Okay.
James Neal, Calgary Flames.
Ooh.
Rasmus Dahlin.
Yeah.
Jack Eichel, 699. Number 156 of 699. Blank.
I'm just gonna take this one away from you.
Kyle Capozo.
Go.
Next pack, please. Better not be an Orem card this time. Ugh, Orem. Alrighty. We got Duncan Keith. We got John Gibson.
It was funny how you said that.
We got Bobby Ryan, 431 of 699.
I'm gonna take
Blank.
this away from you.
And Tyler Sagan. Next pack, please. There you go.
Two more packs to go.
Okay. Jake Gunsel. Roram. Mikko Rantanen.
Ooh, golden. I take this away from you.
Thomas Hurdle. There you go.
One more pack, guys.
Some Himstel Rosa.
The cat's playing with our toys like crazy.
Mike Hoffman. Nice jersey. 32 of 65. Jason Zucker. That's a nice looking jersey. There's that there. Tyler Johnson. And last pack. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Assistant Sophie.
It's so cool.
Just don't touch it.
I love the jersey ones.
Casey Middlestat for the Sabres. Nice numbering. Number 28 of 299. Jimmy Vesey.
I'll take this away from you.
And Ryan McDonald. And Max Pacioretty. Alright, let's see what we got out of this pack. Out of this box. Don't touch.
I was gonna do. Can I do something with these? Oh, the tree's lights are on off.
Alright, let's take a peek at what we got here. Dual patch of Tom Wilson there. 153 of 165. Detroit Red Wings rookie redemption. Jonathan Toews of 26 of 45. That's a nice number. 156 of 699. Jack Eichel. 431 of 699. Bobby Ryan. The best card of all, obviously. Nico Ratinum. Ugh. Super exciting. Number 28 of 299. Jimmy Vesey. And Jason Zucker. 32 of 65. Nice looking card. Nice jersey. And that is all for today. We'll see you next week. Thank you.